Hey guys, just going to do a quick review on the SENA SRL. It's a communication system for the Shoei Neotec tour. I've got that here with me too. I'm going to have a quick word. I'm going to go through the communication system, and I'm going to show that it's installed on the helmet and go through the helmet as well. I mean, the great piece of kit. If you're planning on doing long touring trips, these are ideal. So, SENA SRL, as you can see, specifically made for the Shoei Neotec tour. This is your back, this is your box. You're going to get, basically all you get in the box is that. Easy to install, literally there's a simple quick start guide. There it is, 5 minutes max. 5 minutes, it's all installed, easy. It's just take out a couple of liners, put the cables in, done. You've got a 1 mile radius with this. It's Bluetooth 4.1, so it should work with all modern day smartphones, and I'm pretty sure it's sort of backdated, so you will be able to use the older Bluetooth models too. 8-way intercom, group intercom, audio multitasking, music sharing between yourself and the pillion, or in a group you can share the music you're playing on your phone. Advanced noise control helps get rid of that sort of wind noise while you're either talking or just in general. It helps. An easy smartphone app, really easy to use. Quite a simple app. I mean, there's not much. I could say they could have done a better job with the app itself. Built-in FM radio. I don't know if people use FM nowadays. A DAB radio would have been a lot to ask for, to be honest, but you know, if you're going to listen to music, set it up on your phone. You can just listen to the audio on your phone anyway. You can get a remote control for this, so if you're not wanting, it's 3 buttons on the side of your helmet, really easy to use, to be honest. It's just a case of remembering sequence of buttons, or you have got voice control to play music, pause music, set up an intercom between a group or your pillion. Very easy. I'll show you now. Here we are, Shoei Neotec 2, pin lock visor, great. Air vents here, it's open on the front there. At the top you've got a 2-stage vent, and on the back it's always open. So if you've got, I mean, to be fair, it's just pulling the air out. Any hot air just helps cool you down, especially on those long, gorgeous summer days that we get here in Great Britain. Whenever we get summer, however long it lasts. Visor's pretty easy. I mean, locks nicely into place. Like you say, very good. A lot of people are actually saying that this is the, that's the initial locking position. A lot of people are saying it's a bit annoying if it does seem to fog up. That's where it is, and it's sort of in your eye line. However, I found, don't lock it, just unclick it. There's enough of a gap there to let a little bit of air through, and it just clears straight away. Like I said, the ventilation's pretty good as long as you're up to speed. If you're sort of sat in slow traffic, that's when you're going to start to get that air fogging up. Quite easy to use, up and down. There we go. Clicks into a second place where that is now. That's safe to ride with it open. A lot of bike helmets aren't regulated to ride while they're open. This one is. Inside, fully removable liner. As you can see, this is the SENA SRL communication setup. What you've got here, the battery pack, cables coming down to your earpieces. It's all actually channeled out inside specifically for the SRL. So they just click into place. Like I say, 5 minutes to install. Close that. Sort of a buckle fastener, metal as well, not the plastic, so it is very sturdy, no issues there. I'm pretty sure, for me, I feel safest with that. That's not coming off at all. Plenty of lining around here to reduce the noise. Modular helmets are known to be a bit noisier than your full face helmets, but you've got to expect it. They've got around this sort of, they've got little air sort of ramps around the lining. This helps just to push the air off and stop it whistling and make that horrible air noise, sort of wind noise that you do get. Apart from that, I don't really know what else there is. 1.8 kilos, so it is quite a heavy helmet, but you've got to expect that with your flip fronts, to be honest. no, I think that's everything. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Subscribe.